Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta tasty. First, always use a large pot with ample water for boiling your pasta. This allows the pasta to cook evenly and prevents sticking. Remember to add a generous amount of salt to the water. It should taste like the sea. Cook your pasta until it's perfectly al dente, which means it's firm to the bite, not mushy. Next, let's talk about your sauce. Begin by sautéing aromatics such as garlic and onion until fragrant. This builds a strong flavor base. Allow your sauce to simmer for at least 20 minutes or even longer to truly deepen and meld all the flavors. Before serving, stir in fresh herbs like basil or parsley and a drizzle of high-quality olive oil for brightness. The key to truly tasty pasta is how you combine it with the sauce. After cooking, drain your pasta, but be sure to reserve about 1 cup of that starchy cooking water. Immediately add the drained pasta directly into your pan with the simmering sauce. Toss everything together vigorously for 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the pasta to absorb the sauce's flavors beautifully. For those final touches that elevate your dish, consider stirring in some freshly grated Parmesan cheese or Pecorino Romano right into the pan. A small knob of butter can also add incredible richness and a lovely glossy finish to your pasta. Finally, garnish with more fresh herbs like basil or parsley just before serving for a burst of fresh flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.